In this video, you'll learn how to change your name on eBay. This process is straightforward and ensures that your account reflects your current information. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, locate the account settings page. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking your profile icon, select the option labeled Account Settings from the drop-down menu. This section contains various personal information settings. In the account settings, navigate to the personal information section. Here you will see details such as your name, contact information, and address. Look for the option that allows you to edit your personal details. It is essential to ensure that you are using the correct eBay account before making any changes. Accurate information is crucial for maintaining account security and ensuring smooth transactions. Once you have located the personal information section, find the edit option next to your name. Click this edit link to initiate the update process. You will now be able to enter your desired first and last name. Take a moment to double check the spelling and formatting of your name before proceeding. Some accounts may require additional verification for specific changes, so be prepared to follow any prompts that may appear. After entering the updated name, proceed to save the changes within your account settings. eBay will then update your account information accordingly. In some cases, you may receive a confirmation email that verifies the update. It is advisable to review your account details once again after saving to ensure that the name has been updated successfully. Keeping your information current is important to avoid potential issues with orders or payments. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.